Bob, I know my dog is not happy with this rain
I know.
because her walk this morning got cut out.
Yeah, you know, the dogs, I let them out and they just kind of, oh no, I'm not going out
Yeah.
there, you know, so they yeah, we got to worry about that a little bit because they got to do their business, you know, and hopefully it's outside. We are looking at a lot of rainfall in the forecast in the future. We're going to have periods of dry conditions though, where it won't be raining as much, and then sometimes we'll get some heavy rainfall. Some folks reporting up to 3.5 inches today of rainfall over parts of the Sun Coast. And again, it's going to be sporadic. Not everyone's going to get that at once, but we will see it over an accumulation of several days. The low is spinning right there, but notice it's kind of void of clouds right now. Not a lot of clouds around the center. This is an upper level low and also a little surface feature starting to develop. But once in a while, you see things pop up like this little area right here at the end of the frame. You can see some bigger showers and storms developing. Enough instability, enough lift that is breaking through that dryness. And we had a nice sunset tonight. You see some showers moving up pretty rapidly too, moving to the north at around 20 to 30 miles an hour. But they are producing some torrential rains at times, and that's going to be tough driving conditions. You're going to want to allow some extra driving time. And some great photos. This one from Damon Powers, lead a little reflectivity there. This one from Fred Seeger at Casey Key. The clouds and showers got out here just enough to get some gorgeous sunsets here along the Sun Coast. You can see that dry air. This is the water vapor imagery kind of rotating around that area of low pressure, and that's going to alleviate things somewhat, but we are still going to see showers and storms fire up, especially in the afternoon and evening. I think that's when the heaviest rain will fall. A lot of lightning down to our south and along the east coast. There hasn't been a whole lot here, but there are some storms developing now just to the southwest of Sarasota and Manatee counties. You see that patch right there that's moving off basically to the northeast. So there is a slide a little bit toward the east. So we're going to get some of this and more of those showers developing. So overnight, expect periods of showers. Some areas not getting much at all, but some of that rain could be heavy downpours for a short period of time. And there is a possibility of 1 or 2 lightning strikes as well. Boy, rainfall estimates 2.4 right there in your parish. 4 inches just to the central portion of Manatee County. Lesser amounts along the coastline, but that's going to change. Northport, 7/10 of an inch. Englewood, 3/10 of an inch, and a lot more offshore. Checked some of the buoy data out there in the Gulf of Mexico. The pressures really aren't lowering much. That's a good sign. With that dry air in place and water temperatures marginal, I don't think this is going to develop into a tropical storm, or for that matter, a tropical depression. There's a possibility of a tropical depression, but again, the futurecast is showing these bands of showers once in a while moving onshore. This is Tuesday. Again, in the morning, we'll see a few scattered showers around, but you'll notice some breaks here in the model, and then again, firing up with some bigger storms in the afternoon and evening. And then that low pressure just kind of sits and spins out here on in through Tuesday, and then we'll take you to another model. This is a European showing a pretty good chance for showers and storms through Wednesday night, and Thursday. Again, it's not going to be as widespread as this, but we will see periods of showers and a few isolated thunderstorms right in through the next several days. And in this particular model, a pretty good chance for scattered storms at least right through the weekend. As far as the winds go, they won't be all that strong for us, and the accumulation tomorrow, we're anticipating some areas getting up to 1 inch to 2 inches, while most getting about a ½ inch or so. Currently, it's cloudy. It's 73 degrees, and east to southeast winds are at 9. The high today did warm to 82. Our average is 85 degrees, and rainfall at the airport just over 3/10 of an inch there at the airport. So we'll get to the boating forecast now. Scattered storms, otherwise south winds at 15 knots, and seas will be running right around 2 to 3 feet. And the extended forecast, not much change. Good chances for showers and a few thunderstorms right through the next 7 days. High temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s each day, and lows into the low 70s. Jacqueline?
All right, thanks, Bob.